everyone, welcome back. Today we dive into the intense political battle brewing in Mayurbhanj, the home district of President Draupadi Murmu. The stakes are sky high as both BJP and BJD fight for dominance in this key region during the final phase of the Lok Sabha elections on June 1. Mayurbhanj is not just another district. It's home to 58.7% tribals, making it a crucial battleground in the general elections. And guess what? President Draupadi Murmu is a major campaign point for both the BJP and the BJD. The rivalry between BJD and BJP has reached a fever pitch, especially with simultaneous assembly elections in Odisha. Determined to secure a stronghold, PM Modi has been on a whirlwind tour of the state. He's back on May 29th, ready to address three massive rallies in Baripada, Balasore and Kendrapada. The BJP is banking big on the Murmu factor to sway voters in this predominantly tribal district. Just recently, Modi told a roaring crowd, "The daughter of Odisha is today the pride of India and it's all happening because of your vote."
आज ओडिशा की बेटी देश की तीनों सेनाओं को कमांड करती है। आज ओडिशा की बेटी राष्ट्र का गौरव है। आज ओडिशा की बेटी राष्ट्र को दिशा दे रही है। ये ओडिशा का गौरव हमारे लिए है।
Talk about a power move. In an interview with ANI, Modi confidently declared, "Odisha's fate is about to change. The government is changing. I have said that the expiry date of the current government of Odisha is June 4, and on June 10, BJP's chief minister will take oath in Odisha."
उड़ीसा का भाग्य बदलने वाला है, सरकार बदल रही है। मैंने कहा है कि उड़ीसा की वर्तमान सरकार की एक्सपायरी डेट 4 जून है और 10 जून को बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री उड़ीसा में शपथ लेगा।
Bold words from the Prime Minister. Meanwhile, Naveen Patnaik and the BJD are pulling out all the stop to win over the tribal heartland for a 6th consecutive term. Patnaik, while campaigning in Mayurbhanj, proudly mentioned how his party honored the daughter of the soil by supporting Murmu's presidential bid. The battle in Mayurbhanj is intense. The BJD's key candidate is Sudham Marandi, a 5-time MLA from Bangiri Posi. On the other side, the BJP has made a strategic move by dropping incumbent MP Bisheshwar Tudu and fielding Nabha Charan Majhi, a close confidant of Murmu. And let's not forget, Sibu Soren's daughter Anjali Soren is the candidate from the India bloc, adding another layer of intrigue to this high-stakes election. With such high-profile candidates and intense campaigning, Mayurbhanj is definitely the district to watch in this election. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all the latest election news.